Hello everyone, I'm just going to give you a quick room tour of the IKEA museum in Almhult, Sweden. We're just about to check out, so things might look a bit messy, but we packed up as best we can, so let's go for a tour of the hotel. So first we'll start with the washroom. It's quite neat. So there's a door. Some of the showers we've seen in Sweden, they just have an open sort of shower. I like it being separated. And what I really like is they use paper cups, so it can be recycled. Some towels and a mirror. And also the design of the toilet has a little handle for you to open it, which is quite nice. Alright, so now we'll show you the other parts of the room. Here's the bedroom. So it is small, but it's comfortable. What I also like is that these hotel information cards, they're all made of the particle board, like with their furniture, which is so very, very nice. There is a TV, Samsung widescreen TV, as well as all the lights are LED. Temperature control, as well as hangers for your clothes here, and coats. So there are plugs on each side of the bed, which is great. And of course, the iconic IKEA Pong chair right here. What I also like is that they have two wireless charging pads built into the furniture right here, into the lamp, and also at the desk right here, built into this desk lamp. So I believe these are both IKEA products, as well as this table and the chair. And also this garbage bin. So this is the view outside. It's a cemetery, but it's really quiet. So today is Sunday morning, which is why the street outside is almost empty. So just going back to the entrance. This area is where you can hang some of your clothes. I just like the design where it's sort of hidden away but open at the same time. And last but not least, a few more additional coat hanger spots. So now we're gonna check out and
Vi låtsas som att